GCU is a vested partner in its neighborhood, and so is Habitat in helping families stay in their homes as long as possible. So we work with them on aging in place program, as well as serving veterans and the local community and trying to beautify the neighborhood.
We had a small house fire. I think that you don't realize the impact of a fire until you experience it yourself. I'm a true believer in that whole saying, there's a silver lining at the end of the tunnel. I feel like that's kind of what's happening with us right now.
Local outreach is super awesome, and they work with Habitat, and through that I got invited to come out here and serve and help people, and so I thought that would be an awesome opportunity. Volunteering really is more about showing the love of Jesus. You know, we come here to help serve people, paint their house, and just encourage them and hopefully be a light to the gospel.
It's been a huge impact over the last 10 years because it engages the student population, engages the community and the homeowners, brings people from Habitat for Humanity together, all to address the issues of affordable housing. When you think of the collective impact of 10 years of doing that, it's a massive transformation.
I'm very grateful, humble that GCU students are here, Habitat Humanity is here. And without their program, I don't think any of this stuff would have been happening for us.
Just want to thank Grand Canyon University, especially Brian Mueller, for the long-term partnership and for the impact that we've been making together. We're just grateful to be a part of that partnership.